Tonight, incarcerated and concerned over COVID-19. An attorney in New Haven tells us a client with collapsed lungs is being housed near prisoners with the coronavirus. And he's speaking to Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland after his motion to get him moved was denied.
The attorney representing Marcus Price says his client should be serving 2 years for a drug conviction. But the family says based on his health history, they're afraid it could end up turning into a death sentence.
With his case, his lungs being collapsed and everything, if he catches it, what happens? Then we will never see him again.
ROBERTA DURANT says she can't stop thinking about her brother Marcus Price, who's now isolated at Robinson Correctional Institute in Enfield, a prison that's seen more than 100 offenders test positive for COVID-19.
According to the prison protocol, they have to isolate the individuals who are presenting with symptoms and also people who've been exposed.
Attorney John CIRELLO says Price suffered collapsed lungs 2 years ago following a motorcycle accident. And after getting arrested on drug charges in November, he started serving his sentence in January. Earlier this month, he was tested twice for the coronavirus. And while his results came back negative, his attorney says he's still in that same building where other COVID patients are being housed.
You have this high concentration of people who have COVID-19 in the prison system, and we're exposing him to that.
While the Department of Correction has not yet responded to our request for comment about this specific case, information posted on its website shows that as of this afternoon, there are 9 symptomatic offenders in our state's prisons, with 169 inmates at Robinson who have tested positive but show no symptoms. The Department of Correction has taken steps to lower the risk for offenders, in addition to testing inmates regularly. The former commissioner authorized a new policy back in April, allowing furloughs up to 45 days for offenders that meet certain conditions. The department also releasing offenders with certain underlying health issues. As for Price, his attorney wanted him to be put on house arrest or furloughed to finish his sentence later. But last week, a judge denied that motion.
Or some other way, have him removed from prison in order to prevent him from turning a 2-year sentence into a death sentence.
I don't think it's fair to expose him or have him in there worrying about if he's going to catch it or if he's going to die or anything like that. And he's scared. And we're scared too.
Again, we did reach out to the Department of Correction for a comment around noon today, but we did not hear back from them. With the mobile newsroom in New Haven, Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.